Alright guys, so I'm driving the 93 pickup I just bought and did a video on it idling cold start, but let me show you what it sounds like idling after it's been running for a little bit. Let me show you. Also keep in mind that once you hit like 3,200 RPMs when you're driving, it just starts feeling like it's misfiring, but no flashing light. It just feels like it loses power and starts to stumble. And here's the truck. So I just bought this thing. It's supposed to have been rebuilt before too. Guy was an honest guy. So let me know what you think, what it could be. Maybe timing's off or something. I don't know. Let me know, please. Thanks.